What's up, everybody? Joyce back here, and I'm back playing more Slime Rancher. Now, it's been a little bit since I played this game in general, to be honest. So I kind of forget what we are doing on this feed my slimes right now. But I think last time we finished discovering the what you call it, the ancient ruins, I think. But now I want to get to exploring more areas, so I'm gonna do some more Gordo popping today, if you know what I mean. So I think that there's like, I think I'm gonna need like vegetables by the game, just like glitch out slightly right there. Alright, because I'm gonna be like trying to bust that like radioactive Gordo. I forget what it's called though. That type of slime. But I know I think it eats vegetables. So we're gonna need a bunch of carrots. Alright, and then I'll see if I can stash up plenty of carrots, and then I'll see you back then. And no, this is not the Gordo I'm gonna be busting. I think it's like further into the Indigo Quarry. And also, I forgot to mention off camera, I kind of like accidentally bought a new upgrade, which is I think Tank Booster Mark III. So I can now hold 50 objects now, which is, I don't really consider that to be a bad upgrade. Get me out of the radioactive field. Just trying to gather as many carrots as I can. I don't want to suck up any more slimes. Oh, so I'm pretty sure we have much more stuff right here. I think there's enough. I'm gonna try gathering a little bit more. I want like a decent stash, because I don't want to do multiple trips. That's the fruit. I do not want that. Okay, I think I have a decent amount of food right now, and I think that cave right there is our destination. I don't know if I can make it from here. Oh, we have some extra food. Oh, I got this in the bag. I was worried I wouldn't have enough like boost to make it over there, but I did. So here we go. This is what we're working with. The rad Gordo. That's what we call it. So we're just gonna shoot a bunch of food in there. So wait. Is this force field getting bigger? I feel like it is. So I'm just gonna feed. Oh yeah, it's definitely getting bigger. Am I missing? Oh shoot, it's not good. I'm gonna go for it. I'm going for it. Just come on, eat up, Mister. Oh, wasn't enough. I'm pretty sure I missed it a little bit. I'm gonna wait for the radiation to go down a little bit. I don't know what happens if it's at the full 100. I'm gonna run in there. Yeah, I definitely missed. Oh, with like quite a bit of food. Yeah, there. Can I snipe him with the heartbeat? Nailed it. And there we go. Okay, I did have enough. Get rid of the force field, and then yeah, okay, I see it. I see another key. I'll suck all these guys out of the way. Get the key, and then I'll just bust open the boxes. I think I already have an idea of where I want to use this key. I believe that there was another key somewhere in the ancient ruins that I want to discover. Oh my god, I just noticed I'm like one away from like 5,000 coins. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna head back to the ancient ruins, which is gonna be a long trip. But then we're gonna open up that door. That sound. Did you hear that? I heard something. Am I going crazy around here? I thought I heard like something new, like it's like money, whatever. But anyways, yeah, I'm just gonna make my way to the ancient ruins and see what's like behind that gate. I also think I cracked the code about like the mystery of these lemons. I think what you're supposed to do is, of course, there's nothing around. I think what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to like shoot other fruit into it, and then it'll like transform into it. I don't know if veggies count, but yeah. So we'll just continue around through here. I think we are approaching the gate. It takes a while to get here, by the way. But yeah. Oh, okay. Here's the thing. So I guess what I'll do first is I'll go back and like see like what those like lemons are for, because I at least will want to like discover they are still there, right? Okay. So I think shoot, and there we go. We got the phase lemons, plucked from a tree rooted in the past, future, or present. No one knows. I'll hold on to them right now. I'm pretty sure the favorite food of those like Those it's like glitchy slimes. Well, I forget what they're called. It's been a while, okay? Anyways, we are approaching the gate. I'm pretty sure it's just past here. Yeah, it should be up there. So, yeah. I don't know if I can grow. If Phase Lemon's back on my ranch, I'll just jump down. Unfortunately, I have my jetpack. And here's the gate I was talking about. So, use the slime key. So, what do we have on the other side of this? What is this? This is like some sort of like ancient relic or whatnot. We have more of these things. Are these for those like glitch signs? Hold on, I'm just gonna quickly see what they're called again. Quantum slimes. Okay, so these are for quantum slimes. I need 5, and then I'll activate whatever this is. Unfortunately, I have phase lemons, which I assume is their favorite food, so I guess it shouldn't be too hard to harvest them. And there we go. It was just that easy. All I had to do is just find like a group of them, and then I just fed them from there. So I just one. Okay, this is awfully loud. 2, 3, 4. Last one, and I'll take a step back, see what happens. Is that a portal? Did it make a portal? I'm afraid to go in. I'll just go in. The glass desert, under a blistering sun, prismatic giants evoke beauty and peril. We're like in a different dimension now. Like the glass desert dimension. So, this is very interesting. There's like glass shards everywhere. You hear that? What is that? That sound? What is that? It's like something right there. Whoa, that is a big food. Gilded ginger. Very few ranchers will ever read this. I might want to hold on to this for now. I don't know what eats this. Maybe like a golden kind of slime. This is just a wasteland. Nothing is around here. Not seeing anything, other than some chickens. That's pretty much it. What the heck are you? Saturn slime? Dervish slime. Twists and turns all day and spirals all night. Okay, I don't have any place for you, so you can just stay right here. We have more of these statues. I don't know what that kind is. So at least this place is habitable. It is slime friendly. There's another one of those dervish slimes. Okay, we do have some common slimes around here. Rock slimes. Another chicken. Painted hands. Some believe it's what lies at the end of the rainbow. Totally disappointing. Okay, pretty funny. That is a big tornado caused by what I assume is a dervish slime. So yeah, like they make their tornadoes of their own. That is really clever. So what are you? Hold on. Let me get up there. I need some more energy. What are you? Tango Gordo, and you eat meat? Well, you're not having my painted hens yet, so unless I can find a bunch more. So I already see one. Oh, no, that's a normal chicken. I can just open this up, get some coins. I broke 5,000, so that's pretty good. I'll get the chicken in a second. Up there, this is the map node. Wow, this place is a whole lot bigger than I would have thought. Probably because the rest is lying behind us. That slime gate or whatnot. So I want to see. I'm gonna try busting this Gordo too. So I'm just gonna gather as many chickens as I can, and then I'll see you then, I suppose. What is this? It's like a fountain. Maybe it's not activated. Although we have like the things around it. What is happening? Is the whole world, or is this whole like dimension heating up or something? What's going on? I need to have a look outside. Is the sun gonna like crash into us? Things. I'm just collecting chickens a little bit, even though I only found like 10 so far, including the painted heads. You know what? Screw it. I'm gonna sacrifice the painted heads. I can just find them again later. Oh, that was their favorite food. Oh boy, that scared me so bad. A fire fountain raining everywhere. Oh, dude, this is just destruction. I can see why it's called the glass desert now. because like all the glass has been created from like all this fire. What I assume. All right. What's this, like fire slime? Yeah, it is a fire slime, like a little campfire, except that it moves and it's a slime. Funny. So oh, that this is a lot of destruction. So I guess the chicken hunt continues, I suppose, even with this fire. I guess. Okay, this is taking me way longer than I would have wanted. So if this isn't enough chickens to fully burst him, then I don't know what I'm going to do. There should be a little bit more. You're getting close, so I guess only a few more will do. There we go, and I keep one paint to the end. And then we have the actual tangle slimes themselves. I'm going to suck all you guys out. Screw it. I'll leave one behind. We have another box right there. I'm assuming, well, home. I also read the message. What is this? Prickly pear. This is a fruit that knows how to fight back. Wow. Alright. And I assume this is the portal home? It is. Alright, all my food is ready. So I think the last thing I'm gonna do while I sign up is make a home for these tangle slimes. I think I have one more open space right here. So yeah, right here. So we're gonna make it a corral, the high walls, the air net, and the pole collector and the music box. We'll start with that. I got 8 of them right here. There you go. I'll figure out what to do with the rest of these. Whoa! They grab chickens and pull them toward them. That's interesting. So good thing this place is infested with chickens. All right, guys. So I'm just gonna leave it off right here. We discovered a lot, but I know we're nowhere near done the glass desert. So I'm just gonna sign off. Thanks so much for watching. As usual, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And if you subscribe to the channel and never miss a video, hit that bell next to the subscribe button. And thanks so much for watching, everybody. And until next time, peace out.